So, hey, this I just got, and I want to share this with you. I'm going to tell you what it is, and it's like a long name. So it's a 50 kilogram rotary welding positioner turntable timer with 200 millimeter chuck and 120 watt motor. So that's it. We're done with that. Anyhow, before I show you this, most of the Chinese stuff is junk. But I used this all day yesterday and I love it. But anyhow, every time I get something from China, it's always usually crushed or whatever. I was very impressed with the way this thing was packed. This is the crate it came in. I just kind of stuck it back together. It's sitting on two boards underneath so you can actually pick it up. The poor FedEx guy had a heck of a time getting it out of the truck. But it was really packaged together, really good. It bolted to the bottom, so you couldn't even lift it out of there without taking it apart. So I was really impressed with that. So far, I'm really impressed with this. I don't know that you'd want to use it for big stuff. Supposedly, it's good for 110 pounds, 120 pounds, somewhere in that area. I am just doing a small project, about a bunch of them, and it worked great for me. It has a mount for your MIG handle or whatever. The issue I have is the part is so small that I can't move it close enough to be able to weld with it. So I'll show you it. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's got all adjustments and all that. It just tightens up here. I think it'd be all right. I just can't use it for the deal that I'm doing. It will rotate 90 degrees, which that's the way I'm going to have to use it. So I'm going to get rid of this for now because that will be in my way. But I want you to see this. Here's your adjustment. Matter of fact, I'll just tilt it real quick because we're going to use it that way. So, about right there. Here's their ground cables. There's 4 of them up here that come off of here. And it ends right here. You have to add a cable, or I suppose you could clamp your ground on there. I just ran a battery cable, more or less, that I made up down here, and my MIG ground is right there. You get all the plugs. It's got a foot control for the motor. It also came with another wire, short wire, that you should be able to plug into here and then run to your MIG switch. And this is, if you see the front of this, you've got a timer on here, so you can actually time your rotation. And as soon as you hit your foot pedal, that should activate your MIG. And it's a pretty cool setup. Like I say, I probably used it for 8 hours yesterday, and I had no issues. Took a little bit to set up the rotation, the speed, and all that. But I'm doing such a small piece on here that it has to look good. I've got to make 200 of, let's see, what did I do with it? 200, this is black pipe, sanded it down, and then I have to weld a 3/8 washer on each end of this, and it's to be a handle. So I have 200 of these, which means 400 welds. So half of the weld is presentation. You want it to look good, and you don't want to have to sit there and grind it all down. So what I ended up doing was putting a bolt through them, getting them positioned right, and then chuck it up. And it's ready to go. I think that's just a little bit lower than what I want. But anyhow, I apologize for this. But in 2 days, I'm going to have surgery. And I don't have a lot of movement in this arm. I tore a tendon in my bicep. So I had to make a little bracket because I can't hold it. So a little rest. So let me get that on here. And let me get this bolted on here, or I'm just going to clamp it on here the way I used it yesterday. We'll get it clamped on and show you how nice this thing works. And also, I didn't do the unboxing thing. You know, I see so many videos where they have unboxing. I don't know, I figure you guys that are watching the video, unless you're on this side of the chart of evolution, I figure you know how to open a box. And most of you guys are either fabricators or welders or pipe fitters or whatever, if you're looking at this rotary thing. So I figure you're this side of the evolution chart, you're probably like here or straight up and down. So you know how to unbox something. So anyhow, here's the deal. I really like the thing. I really totally like it. So let's do a weld on here. You can see how it works. And you know, it was I'll be honest with you, with shipping, $660. It was on eBay. I shopped around, and I know, like I say, it's Chinese. I'm gonna make more than enough off this job to pay for it, and I'll have it. You know, are there better ones? Yep, there probably are, but it fits my needs. If you're working in a small shop, your place, whatever, it'll probably be fine for it. The chuck is. I like the deal that it's just so quick. So let's give a weld a try here and see how it works for you guys. So here we go. And that is that. I'm going to take it out here. Let me grab a better set of gloves here. We'll take it out. I'll show you it. And like I say, I'm really impressed with the weld. So there's the weld, and you don't have force starts, stop, start, stop. And I think I'm happy with it. You know, check it out. $660. I'm totally happy with it. I'm sure I know for a fact there's much better ones out there. But it suits my needs. I got a nice weld, a nice presentation. All I gotta do is turn the thing around, lock it back in there, and weld on that one. So, hey, hope this helps you guys looking for them. I searched YouTube looking for one, and you know, there's hundreds of them out there. Some that run off a drill. I didn't want that. Your speed adjustment is all here. Your timer is down here if you're going to use a timer. You can switch directions. So, you know, you got this way, turn around, make it go that way. So, to me, I'm happy with it. So, good luck, guys. I hope this helped you find what you want. Catch you next time.